Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items. Bonus caveat. Bonus caveat. Sunglasses. Gotta have something to protect your eyes. I say it's a bonus for me because I always carry sunglasses in my vehicles, so I don't need to carry them on me, so it's not in my top 5 carry items, if that makes any sense. But it is a bonus caveat item, and these are the Kdream, TEMU. Got them off of TEMU. Comes in a nice little case with a carabiner and a cloth to clean them, but I got the black and white with the polarized red lenses. Pretty dope. But yeah, got little rubber grips on the nose. Pretty dope. Kdream. There's that red polarized lens. It came with a little flight card that you can see, that you can't see with the naked eye, but you can see with the glasses. Thought it was pretty dope. But yeah. Bonus caveat item. Where would they rank on your list? Would they make your top 5? Would they? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.